Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use your iPhone right on your Mac screen using the iPhone mirroring feature. First, to use this feature, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18 and your Mac is running macOS Sequoia or later. Next, double-check that both devices are signed in with the same Apple ID and that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on. Now, lock your iPhone. Then, on your Mac, open the iPhone mirroring app. This app is built into macOS Sequoia, so there's no need to install anything. The first time you connect, you'll see a welcome screen. Click Continue. Your Mac will now ask you to unlock your iPhone to grant permission. Just enter your phone passcode on the iPhone, then go back to your Mac. Allow notifications if prompted, and click Get Started. At this point, enter your Mac password or use Touch ID to authenticate. Now you're ready to use your iPhone right on your Mac. You can use your mouse or trackpad to swipe, tap, and open apps, and use your Mac's keyboard to type directly into the iPhone. Besides basic gestures, here's how to go back to the home screen. Click the bottom edge of the iPhone screen, or move your mouse to the top edge. You'll see two buttons appear, one for Home and one for App Switcher. You can switch between apps or swipe up to close them. To exit this mode, just move your mouse to the top of the app window and click the Close button, or simply unlock your iPhone. The connection will automatically end. If you don't want to get iPhone notifications on your Mac, go to Settings, then choose Notifications and select Allow Notifications from iPhone. From here, you can turn off all notifications from your iPhone, or pick which apps are allowed and which ones are not. And that's how you set up and use iPhone mirroring on your Mac. Super easy even for beginners. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Easy Tech Steps for more tech tips.